Welcome viewers to our latest video. Today we're excited to share our experience with our newest trailer purchased from Alibaba last year. Join us as we take you through the features, challenges and savings of this acquisition. Let's dive in! We acquired our latest trailer from Alibaba in the middle of the previous year. It measures 6 meters in length and features 4 under-counter fridges, 2 under-counter freezers, a standing drinks fridge, a 4-bay benchtop gas deep fryer, gas oven, gas hob, grill, extractor fan, twin sinks with pumps, all with a stainless steel interior. To meet our country's regulations, we had to invest approximately $500 to ensure it was road legal, primarily addressing lighting and minor brake issues. However, we encountered some issues with the trailer. The wiring was subpar, requiring us to spend around $1,200 to obtain an electrical certification. Our electrician found inconsistencies in wire gauge usage and placement, which he found amusing. Additionally, the silicone sealant used inside was applied hastily and may need to be redone in the future. Despite our specifications, the 2 benchtop deep fryers did not meet our country's standards and could not be modified for use in a mobile unit. Surprisingly, we were able to sell them for a profit after purchasing them for $500 each and selling them for $700 each. Furthermore, we noticed that the temperature control for the grill and hob was not optimal, offering only 3 settings: off, medium, and hot, with no intermediate temperatures. Although we have adapted to this, it is not ideal. Nevertheless, the trailer's appearance is impressive and it serves its purpose effectively. We have learned valuable lessons for our next purchase from the same supplier. Fortunately, Alibaba's guarantee system refunded $1,300 of the $1,700 we spent to bring the trailer up to our country's standards. Even with these additional expenses considered, we estimate that we saved $20,000 to $25,000 compared to purchasing a trailer locally. While we are uncertain about the trailer's long-term durability, we do not plan to keep it for more than 5 years. Given its price, it is more advantageous to buy, use, and then sell, upgrading as needed. We are planning to purchase another trailer, albeit smaller, for markets and similar events. These trailers typically cost $12,000 to $15,000 in our country, but we can obtain one for approximately $4,000 when imported. Considering the substantial savings, shipping costs are negligible. Regarding shipping, we recommend using a reputable freight forwarder who can handle all logistical aspects. When factoring in the savings, the expense of shipping becomes inconsequential. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it informative and enjoyable, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us continue to bring you valuable insights and experiences. Until next time, take care.